Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome down to Toa Payoh HDB Hub Mall. In case you don't already know, there is an art exhibition highlighting the dangers of drug abuse. So feel free to come on down and check out the art exhibition and participate in the pop quiz. In a short while, we might be having stage quizzes, questions and answers where you stand to win exciting prizes. Join us right here at Toa Payoh HDB Hub Mall for the Anti-Drug Art Competition exhibition.
Masoka nini horonya ye